sectional test for CAT, right? Mathematics, it's and CAT 100% alert. For students who are going to write mocks, etc., and they are confused as to when to write section test. Should I directly go to mocks or should I even write a sectional test before that? So what are sectional tests? So they are complete syllabus, they cover complete syllabus. So it mimics the actual examination in terms of number of questions, the time, the level of difficulty. So it's like a section. So you may have one separate section for verbal or one separate section for DLR, one separate section for common. You can take mock and you have three separate section tests which you can use. So how are sectional tests used? I mean, normally the best use of sectional tests is to create strategy for the section. So suppose you want to experiment with a strategy to see what works, what does not work. You want a one-round strategy or two-round strategy, etc. A section test is a good way. Instead of experimenting in the mock, it makes sense to experiment in a section test to see what strategy works for you, what doesn't. It also helps you to understand which areas to prepare. So you write a mock section test and you know, okay, these are the areas I'm not doing well or these are the areas I need to prepare. And lets you know your level of preparation. So strategy. Okay, so experiment in a sectional test. It's very important. That's the right reason you write sectional test, because only once you experiment, you know what works, what does not. Write down the strategy you plan to use in the test. So before you even write a test, write down a strategy and then analyze whether the test strategy really worked or did not work. And if it did not work, what modifications are required so that you can improve your strategy. Strategy plays a important role in terms of the marks you get. Identify areas to improve. So suppose you're scoring low marks, that means your focus should be to clear the section cutoff. So you're scoring less than 5 marks. Identify a few strong areas where you can maybe get it right and clear the section cutoff. For example, if I'm maths, I'm scoring less than 5 marks, then maybe I'll pick up 2-3 topics, focus on that, try to get questions on those correct, and try to get maybe a 10 or 12 marks so that I can just clear the cutoff. If you're scoring high marks, say more than 20, then focus the preparation on weak areas. But if you're already good, you're scoring good marks, scoring 20 marks. Now look at the other areas where you can increase your marks. So focus on improving your methods and where you can save time in solving questions. It helps. When to write sectional tests? You can write sectional tests when you want to try new strategy, or maybe before mocks. Okay, say I want to try something. Instead of writing a full mock, I'll try in section test a particular strategy and work. When you finish 80% of your planned syllabus, you can write. Don't write in between. But when you finish almost the syllabus, because it covers the entire syllabus, if you have not covered most of the syllabus, then section test becomes useless. Can write section test when you want to focus on a particular area for preparation, particular section for preparation. That's when you can write section test. Right? Do like this video. Do subscribe to the channel. We do run courses for CAT and entrance examination, management entrance exam, and been training students for 25 years. Thank you.